Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all understood about fractions from the previous video, and today we are going to discuss about types of fractions. There are different types of fractions. From that we are going to discuss today about proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. First we will discuss about proper fractions. The name itself suggests that the fractions are in proper form, and these proper fractions are also called common fractions. Proper fractions are also called common fractions. What are proper fractions? The fractions whose numerator is always less than the denominator. Whose numerator is less than the denominator. Those fractions are called proper fractions. With a simple example, I am going to explain you. Now, in a square, we make four equal parts. Yes, we make four equal parts. In that, one part is the shaded part. So, how we are going to represent this shaded part? One part is shaded, so write it as numerator. The total number of parts will be written as denominator. Four parts we have made. So this type of fractions are called proper fractions. The numerator is always less than the denominator. You are having four parts, right? Suppose if the two parts are shaded, you will write as 2 by 4. Three parts are shaded, you will write 3 by 4. Four parts are shaded, means you will write 4 by 4. The denominator will not be less than the numerator. Understood everyone? This is about proper fractions. Next is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Here the name itself suggests that the fraction is not proper. That is improper. How we can explain this improper fraction in a simple word? Improper fractions. In improper fractions, the numerator is always greater than the denominator. You are thinking that how could it be possible? The numerator, how can be it possible to be greater? So, now I will explain. Suppose you are having, suppose you have two children, okay? Two children are there, and you are having three chocolates with you, okay? Three chocolates you have, and you need to distribute them equally. How we are going to distribute? One chocolate for the first child, the second one, the second child. Now remaining is one chocolate. Yes, one chocolate is remaining. So how we are going to make equal parts from this chocolate? You are going to make it half. Make equal two halves you are going to make. So this first part will be given to the first child, and the second part will be given to the second child. Now, how many chocolates, how many parts of chocolate the first child has got, and how many parts of chocolate the second child has got? So the child has got one chocolate completely and half chocolate. The same thing with the second child. Now in for this, how we are going to write it in a fraction form? So from this chocolate we have made two equal halves. So these three chocolates are equal, and for this also we are going to make two equal halves. Yes, one part, second part, third part. So three out of how many parts? Out of two parts. And for this second child also, one, two, and three parts we have made out of two parts. Clear? Now 3 by 2. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 2. Numerator 3 is greater than 2. So these type of fractions are called improper fractions. What are these fractions called? Improper fractions, where the numerator is always greater than the denominator. Next, mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing but it is a combination of what it is? Combination of a whole number and proper fraction. It is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. How you are going to write the mixed fraction? Example, I will say. Suppose you are having 2 chocolates. Okay, 2 chocolates or 2 squares, whatever you think. We have made 4 equal parts from these 2 squares. Okay, 2 equal parts we have made. Now from these 2 equal parts, here the first square 4 parts are shaded. Okay, and here one part is shaded. So this can be written as 4 parts we have made, right? Out of 4, how many are shaded? 4. Out of 4. So 4 by 4. This 4 by 4 can be written as 1. And here one part is the shaded one. Out of how many parts? 4 parts. This combinedly we will write as 1 by 4. Yes, this whole is 1 and here 1 by 4. This can be written as 1 by 4. This whole number should be written in the middle of the line, vernacular. Okay, understood everyone this? The whole thing, this is the whole number. This whole number is also called as a integral part. What is the whole number called? Integral part. Mixed fraction is nothing but it is a combination of a whole number or the integral part and a proper fraction. This, wherever you see the mixed fraction, this is only the proper fraction itself. I hope you all understood about types of fractions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos on fractions. Thank you.